Jasmy Coin is back. Japan's Bitcoin is the top gainer right now in the last 24 hours, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk all things Jasmy in this video. Jasmy has been pretty dormant, pretty quiet for a little while. And we know that Jasmy had a parabolic run last bull cycle. And we're still sitting here getting close now to a $3 billion market cap. And I still feel as if Jasmy is very, very undervalued. And we're going to bring you guys up to speed on what's happening, the news you need to know, the information you need to know. And as you guys know, many of you guys who've listened to my channel, who've watched me for a while, I am a Jasmy Coin holder. I do think that there's great upside given all of their relationships with Japan and some of the top brands like Samsung. And the community, I think, speaks volumes. This is a very, very strong community when we talk about Jasmy. And we're starting to see the potential that some of these types of tokens that are sitting here in the top 100 that people have kind of forgotten about a little bit, right? Where these things could go when we get into a full-fledged altcoin season. So smash the like button, guys. Subscribe down below. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, your predictions on Jasmy. You guys can see if we take a look at the chart here quickly, up 39% just today. We go to crypto bubbles. There you see Jasmy, the top mover there right by my screen there. 40+% right now on the day. And here in the last 7 days, 120%, 210% in the last month. Again, kind of lagging behind some of the other big players. We take a look at the altcoin season index, guys. We are comfortably in altcoin season right now. And we can see what's really moved already. Like what's went absolutely parabolic. HBAR, XLM, SUI. SUI set new all-time highs again today. Dogecoin, XRP, Mantra, Algorand, Cardano, VET. Jasmy still slowly climbing up the ladder, right? Slowly but surely climbing up the ladder. And again, Jasmy here in the last month has just been scorching, right? And we take a look. This was the buy signal right here that our XT algo, my trading indicator, called 29 days ago, less than a month ago. We're up 160% right there at the 2 cent level, a little bit above 2 cents. We were trending below 2 cents for a really long time. Now we're at 5.5 cents. And I don't think we're done. I think we still have some room to run here. Coinbuzz said breaking. Jasmy has broken the 0.051 level. Next stop here, 6 cents. 27% up in the last 24 hours. Make that like 40% now. Japan's Bitcoin reacts to 100K. And I think that's what we're seeing. This is Japan's Bitcoin in a lot of ways, right? And with Bitcoin going to $100,000, you're starting to see the types of narratives and the types of plays that could start to follow in Bitcoin's footsteps. Here's what's very interesting about what's happening. Bitcoin dialing back now to 101 after hitting above 103,000 yesterday. So we're back under a $2 trillion market cap, at least at the time of this recording. But what's very interesting is we're well over $100,000, yet Bitcoin dominance has come down. Bitcoin dominance is a little bit less than 55% right now. Now, last time we went up and touched all-time highs, Bitcoin was at 61% dominant. So what does that tell us? What does that tell us here in the market? Well, Ethereum starting to cook up, still lagging behind Bitcoin, but starting to make moves. And then you have outliers that are doing massive multiples like SUI, like Litecoin, Jasmy here today, Dogecoin, XLM, XRP, HBAR. There is a ton of capital going into particular assets that have a ton of upside. You guys can see it here a little bit on when we zoom out, especially if we go to like the last week or the last month, the types of gains we've seen here. I mean, HBAR 549%, guys. Doge 160, Algorand 370, XRP 370, 317 for Algo. XLM 422, Peanut, of course, that was insane. The meme coin that just went nuts. IOTA has woken up. You know, Jasmy now is waking up. Gala Games up 224%. Kronos up 200+%. Sandbox, the metaverse place coming back. We're starting to see capital really flow heavily into altcoins, even without Ethereum. Now, Jasmy surpasses a $2 billion market cap, claims a top performing altcoin spot, and its market cap, again, is an indication that we have strong investor interest right now. 86% of the total Jasmy holders are in profit, with no participants at a loss, supported by the global in and out of the money metric. That's pretty nuts. Indicators suggest further gains with a potential rally to the 5.2 level. We're already there. We're already beyond it. Through rising sell pressure, we could drop to 3 cents again. But right now, if we stay above that 5.2 level, things are looking very, very good for a continuation rally. Now, many people calling for that $1 price level. Keep in mind that was last cycle. That was insane. And we're still way, way down from the previous all-time high, which gives us a ton of opportunity here. Still 98% down from, a $5 Jasmy. We're at 5 cents right now. Now, the supply was a little bit different, obviously, than it was. But to sit here and say that there's not still a ton of value here at this level on Jasmy when we really haven't even kicked up the altcoin market, I think is kind of crazy. Here in the last year, we have not even been anywhere close to these levels. At 5.5 cents, we've slammed through where we were in June, which is really impressive. And I just think Jasmy's still getting overlooked, guys. And I think there's still a ton of upside right now with Jasmy as a whole. So if we go over to the coin perspective and we take a look at, with current supply and everything with Jasmy, we'll just play a little hypothetical here, where we are right now. If we can get back to, that previous all-time high, that's a 91x. Now, again, supply and everything's a little bit different. Total supply is 50 billion. Circulating supply is 48 billion now. So almost everything is circulating now. But let's just say, the $1 mark. I still like this level for Jasmy. That's getting close to a $50 billion market cap, still a 17x. You're not going to find that kind of potential upside in the top 100, right? I mean, it's there, but you've really got to sift through. And I think Jasmy's one of those plays. I really do. So let me know your guys' thoughts down below. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Again, check out XT Algo if you guys are interested in my trading indicator. There's a great coupon code down below in the description. And we're going to watch this thing play out, man. I think we're waiting for some big catalysts, some big news for Jasmy, which only will help us continue this crazy parabolic run that we're on. 855% up this year, guys. 855% up this year. It's one of the top movers when you do it that way. Here, let me move myself over here. Look at that. You've got Pepe, you got Radium, you've got Whiff, and you've got Jasmy, guys. So very quietly, Jasmy's been one of those unbelievable runners here in the last year, but yet it's still very quiet. And I still think it's very, very undervalued and underrated. So let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. Appreciate you guys for watching. Much respect to everybody out there who's just been grinding in this market. And now we're reaping the rewards, man, with Bitcoin crushing $100,000. Amazing stuff. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.